Hey everyone, Scratch Game Jam number 6 is finally underway. You have 2 weeks to create a game using Scratch, Timberweb, Gandi IDE, or any other Scratch tools. And of course, we've got a theme. The theme is there are a lot of games that explore the theme of the world is against you. Don't Starve is a survival game that challenges players to survive against strange creatures and unpredictable weather. Frostpunk is a city building game where players must keep their people alive in a frozen wasteland. Inside is a platformer that puts players in shoes of a young boy trying to escape from a mysterious facility. All of these games challenge players to overcome a world that is actively working against them. There are countless ways to interpret this theme and create engaging and thought-provoking games. Check out the detailed rules on each page of Scratch Game Jam number 6 and join our Discord server to discuss the theme, show progress, and playtest with other creators. We are excited to see more creative and challenging ideas. Good luck and have fun!